Hi, my name's Sam Saggers, Director of Positive Real Estate. Look, there's some great marketplaces where you can invest your money today, and there's also some pretty ordinary markets. So we need to be pretty specific on where we're going to put our capital so we can make the best return and best investment decisions. ANZ recently put out a great economic report, and I want to share it with you because some of these principles are paramount when it comes to investing in real estate. You need to understand them because supply and demand is one of the greatest drivers of the real estate market. The slide on your screen will show you that Australia today is completely undersupplied of property. In fact, we're short around 200,000 dwellings, which, if we had them, would create a balanced market. So what does undersupply mean? Well, it means higher property values and higher rental returns. Is it happening everywhere? Well, no, it's not. So it's really important that you learn some of the areas which are going to do well over the next couple of years. Some areas in Australia actually have too much supply of housing, and that's not such a good thing. There's more choice, rental returns are lower, and properties don't grow in value, and nobody likes that. The next slide on your screen will show you there's some great information. There's actually some information come out that New South Wales, Queensland and WA are actually undersupplied with property. These are the areas which are showing the best returns and best signs for capital growth for the future. You'll notice on your screen, Melbourne, it isn't actually doing too well. Victoria, the state obviously Melbourne's in, is actually oversupplied in property. And that would be evident. A quick search when you're on realestate.com would actually show you the rental returns are still quite low there, around 4.5%. So what, as an investor, we want to be buying where the masses buy. And there's a saying, when the masses buy real estate, the rental returns are over 6%. And we're seeing that in a lot of the states and territories now, particularly in New South Wales, Western Australia and Queensland. The next slide on your screen, well, that'll actually show you the rental returns. They're on the up, and in fact, housing affordability, when it comes to rental returns, is at a critical level. In fact, there's some recent reports that have come out showing that it's actually cheaper to own now than rent. And that's a great sign for sales volumes in the market, something that we need to keep a close eye on. The next slide, well, that's going to show you where it is actually the best value in the market. And as you can see down the bottom here, Brisbane is the most affordable marketplace in the country. And I like affordable marketplaces, so that's my bit of a pick for probably one of the premium marketplaces to invest. Of course, signs are coming out that Western Australia is doing very well, and all the marketplaces that are essentially undersupplied of housing are the ones to watch. Of course, for some of the best tips and strategies, I would encourage you to come along to one of our property investor nights because the market always changes, information always needs to be updated, and some of the greatest content can be found by just coming along to one of our events. Register now, they're held all around the country, and we would love to catch up with you soon.